Located east of Indonesia, there's a small island that contains endless beauty. Its highlights include expansive beaches and the nation's second tallest volcano, a peak with a history of an eruption that echoed across the globe. Today, this island serves as the host for a prestigious international event and features one of the most stunning race circuits in the world. This is Lombok Island. This year, the 6th Rinjani Travel Mart is taking place, presenting a collaboration aimed at further advancing Indonesian tourism. Let's reinvigorate Indonesian tourism.